Hi, I am Jayeeta Bhattacharya. I have been volunteering for Comida for Familiars for a few months now as a UX designer. This is a short tutorial on how to use Figma for designs.
This is a use case for layout grids. Layout grids can be applied to only frames, which means you have to select a frame for a device and then you can use as many layout grids you want on a frame. Each of those grids can also be selected and pasted onto other frames since they act like a property. Let's see how we can create a layout grid. I will select a frame first. For example, iPhone 8. Once I select the frame, I can see that we can add the layout grid from here. If I select add, I can change this grid to a row or a column. And I can keep adding them on. I can add multiple grids. So let's select a row. And I can also change the color for this row so that I can distinguish between them. I can also change the opacity so that it's easier to view. Column and row grids, you can also control their position and scaling behavior. Currently, you can see this is set to stretch and the height is auto. You can change this to top, bottom, or center depending on which position you want your grids to be, and also change their heights based on the scaling priority.
Thank you for watching. I hope it helped and you enjoyed the video.